Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Hi, I'm Derek with Precision Door. No, I'm not the invisible man. You can't see me because I'm trapped behind the garage door. And this is something that can easily happen to you if your garage door parts, your garage door motor, or even your power supply fails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manually open your garage door so that you can escape this garage incarceration. Other than a broken door part or burnt out motor, one common problem you may encounter is when your power goes out. Make sure that your garage door is in the down and closed position before attempting to disconnect. If you've experienced failure while your garage door is still open, we strongly recommend that you contact us immediately. Disconnecting the door while in the up and open position is very dangerous, and the results could be critical to your door and your safety. The reason we recommend you do this while in the down position is because if you happen to have a broken spring, the full weight of the door can come crashing down and crush anything in its line of fire. To disconnect and operate your door manually, you have to locate the red rope that is attached to the trolley. The trolley is the piece that stays with the garage door. This is the attachment point. It connects the trolley to the rail. You'll see that when I pull the rope, the trolley will disconnect from the attachment point, allowing you to manually move the door up and down the rail. On the trolley itself, there are two positions. The first is a spring-loaded area, where the rope is attached to disconnect. If you want to stay disconnected, pull the rope down and back towards the motor. It stays in position so that it won't catch on to the track or the plate. The second is to reconnect. Pull the rope down and toward the door to free the lever. Then you can lift the door to re-engage the trolley to the attachment point. Or you can wait until the power comes back on and press your remote control to activate the motor and slide the plate down the track until it reattaches to the trolley. If this video hasn't helped solve your problem, give us a call and we'll send out a certified technician to give you a hand. We're Precision Door, a name you can trust. I'm still stuck. Can somebody quote Precision for me?
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.